My name is Kevin Fenyak, and I've been with the Corps of Engineers Baltimore District for about 5.5 years now. My job title is Project Manager. I work in the navigation section of Operations Division. We're doing the maintenance dredging for the annual Baltimore Harbor and Channels project. The importance of this dredging is to keep all of the channels to their authorized project depth. So as time goes on, the channels shoal in and get shallower, and it makes it harder for the boats to navigate in and out of the harbor. So we're essentially just trying to clear out the debris and mud and keep the channels wide open. Processes to get everything kind of where we are today is before any dredging even starts, we have to do hydrographic surveys to see how much material is in the channels that we want to dredge. Once we have an idea of the depth of the material, we can bring the dredge out here and start digging. That dredge loads up scows, which are basically like floating dump trucks. And then we take that material and truck it off to a disposal site like Poplar Island, or in this case, Cox Creek. After the material is offloaded, we come back in and do another survey to kind of gauge the difference from the original survey we did, see how much material we've removed.
My name is Rob Collaro. I'm the project manager for Curtin Maritime on the DB Avalon. Today we're dredging as part of the U.S. Army Corps Baltimore maintenance dredging project. This particular project is maintenance. It ensures that the channels stay clear for navigation. It allows vessels to come in, and the ultimate goal is safe navigation through the harbors, shipping channels. The DB Avalon is one of the largest dredges in North America. It's powered by a generator and a generative hybrid system that operates the crane. So with each bucket going down, it's spinning generators and repowering a battery bank. And yeah, it's an efficient dredge.